Esadan Group was founded in 2002 in Eskişehir, which is one of the leading cities in Turkey. Esadan Group brands are DMPVC, Baumann, Waruplast, DMD Panel. Our production, which started in 2002 at the main factory. It's in an enclosed area of 15,000 square metres with 3 integrated facilities, being DMD Panel, which joined in 2017, and aluminium and glass factories, which joined in 2018. Esadan Group have been exporting for a long time and is highly experienced in exports. The products are easily accessible through our dealers and chain markets in the European countries such as Serbia, Bosnia, Croatia, Kosovo, Montenegro, Romania, Poland, Macedonia, Hungary, Germany, France, England, Belgium and Spain. At present, Esadan Group are striding towards countries such as India, Pakistan, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Maghreb, Egypt, Senegal, Gabon, where dealership meetings are being held. Esadan Group has a production capacity of 25,000 PVC per month. Main products of Esadan Group hold TSC, CE ISO quality certificates for single and double sash windows, balcony windows, interior and exterior service doors, aluminium doors and windows, all types of joinery and aluminium facade, standard glazing, double glazing, synergy, low E and argon gas, sandwich panel, decorative door panel, panel sheets, composite facade. All products can be made to standard sizes and custom made according to customer requirements. It continues to provide quality services to the sector and its customers. With its production facilities, hundreds of experienced and trained employees, research and development and quality control units, great deal of care is taken in packaging, providing a trusted, reliable and timely delivery. Unconditional customer satisfaction with its competitive and affordable prices. Esadan Group have been working continuously for years to achieve their esteemed customers' satisfaction. By constant renewal, growth, investment, Esadan Group continues to contribute to the industry and customers.